In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in Google Sheets. There are two simple ways to add pictures to your sheet: placing an image inside a single cell or placing an image over the grid so you can move it around freely. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that fits your task. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Click the exact cell where you want your picture to live. Next, go to the top menu, choose Insert, then select Image. From the image options, choose Insert an image in the cell. This opens the image picker. Here, select where your picture is coming from, your computer, your drive, or another source, then choose the file and confirm. After it uploads, the image will appear tucked neatly inside the cell you selected. If it looks too small, remember that in-cell images scale with the cell itself. So to make it larger or smaller, adjust the column width or row height, and the image will resize automatically to fit. This approach is great for creating clean tables, product catalogs, or any list where each row needs a consistent thumbnail. Now let's add an image over cells, which gives you more flexibility in positioning. Again, open the menu at the top, click Insert, choose Image, and this time select Insert an image over the cells. Click Browse in the picker, select your file, and upload it. The image will appear floating above the grid. You can drag it to the exact spot you want and use the corner handles to resize without affecting your row heights or column widths. This method is handy for logos, diagrams, or callouts that you want to place and size independently of your data. A couple of quick tips to help you choose between the two methods. In-cell images move with the row when you sort or filter, which keeps your data aligned. Over-the-cells images are positioned on the canvas, so they stay where you place them even if your rows move around. If you need a consistent, table-like layout, go with in-cell. If you need flexible placement or a larger visual, choose over the cells. Also, keep image file sizes reasonable to maintain a responsive sheet, and name your images clearly on your computer to make them easier to find during upload. That's it. You've learned both ways to insert images in Google Sheets. Try each method in your own file and pick the one that best matches your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.